Welcome to Japanese Shoe Channel. Today we have clients here. He is very fond of chiropractic and he wants to try chiropractic for me today. Can you introduce yourself to your audience?
I'm Michael Rojas. I'm 26 and I always watch chiropractor in YouTube. That's all.
That's all. Okay. Let's check his mobility. Can you rotate yourself like this? Very stiff.
Steve?
Side please. Okay, you can. You were having a hard time rotating your upper side, like
Yes, sometimes.
Okay, I understand. Can you sit down a little bit more easily? Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Move, move, move. 30 centimeters. Yeah.
Not
A little
bend.
bit. No, not the bend. Please sit down a little bit more. 10 centimeters. 10
Like
centimeters.
this?
10 centimeters away. No.
That's okay.
Yes, thank you. Yeah, sorry, it's too much. It's too much. No, sorry. Can you go back? Go back. No problem.
Lagi na lang may suplot. Magkano sila? At so, pwede ba ako? Wala.
Can you stand up, please? Okay. You can sit down, please. Please relax.
Ali, that girl.
Can you rotate yourself? Yeah, it's also becoming red. How is it feeling right now?
Great because the sound.
Yeah. I felt that. I listened. Your cracking sound from here.
Yeah.
Okay, please say something to our audience.
It's very nice. And hopefully more patients to come in your business so that more patients more comfortable. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.